It was an American nurse's sensitivity to an antiseptic that led to the development of medical rubber gloves. The year was 1890, and the hospital was Johns Hopkins in Baltimore. Sympathetic to the nurse's plight, the chief of surgery asked a rubber company to develop protective gloves. Around the world, healing hands wear rubber gloves to stop the spread of germs and save lives. To make them, they need a lot of hands, the kind made from ceramic or aluminum. They'll serve as molds. First, they need to remove residue from the last rubber glove production. So they do a thorough washing in soapy water. And then in bleach. They must remove every speck of residue because even the smallest contaminant could lodge in the latex rubber gloves and create holes. Leaving the bleach, the ceramic hands twirl into round revolving brushes. Their bristles scour the surface and the hard-to-reach areas between the ceramic fingers. After this thorough scrubbing, the hand molds dive into a tub of hot water. It's the last cleaning before production begins. As they exit the tub, the hands swivel on the rail carrier to drip dry. Still slightly damp and spinning, the hand molds head into a chemical bath, which forms a film on the surface. It's a critical coating because liquid rubber won't adhere to bare ceramic, but it will to this substance. The ceramic molds now reach into warm liquid rubber, which has been enhanced for extra strength. The liquid rubber reacts with the chemical coating on the hands and becomes gel-like. Coated with the rubber gel, the hands spin to shake off any drops as they head into an oven. Under intense heat, the rubber dries to the hand form. It also undergoes a chemical process called vulcanization that makes rubber stronger and elastic. After a wash and dry, the gloves spin through brushes, which roll up the cuffs. This cuff roll, called the bead, has a specific purpose. It makes it easier to pull the rubber glove off the mold. Workers grab the gloves by the beads to peel them off the ceramic forms. These particular medical gloves were molded from synthetic rubber for people who can't wear natural latex rubber due to allergies. These synthetic rubber gloves are a bit stickier than the natural latex ones, and they must be removed by hand. However, the natural latex gloves come off much more easily. Bursts of pressurized air blow these gloves off the ceramic forms. At a test station, a worker now stretches and inflates each medical glove to check for weak spots and holes. Even a pinhole leak would be cause for rejection. Next, they take a sample glove from every batch and pump water into it, again checking for leaks. If the sample glove is watertight, they approve the entire batch for shipment. They color code gloves for strength. These orange cleaning gloves are thick and reusable. Others, like the medical gloves, are for limited use and disposable. Each rubber formulation is customized for color, strength, and other characteristics. It has taken a lot of fake hands and real ones to make rubber gloves, and it all happens very fast. They manufacture 200 rubber gloves a minute at this factory. That's about 12,000 gloves per hour. They pack them up in batches of 100. A cornstarch solution applied earlier keeps them from sticking together in the box. Later, that starch will also act as a lubricant to allow the gloves to slide easily onto hands. And with all that, these rubber gloves are ready to protect the public.